welcome back, welcome back. It looks like we have red wigglers. Look at that. Ooh, wait. Peat moss is so hard to get wet. It takes a while. I'm gonna have to refill my water. But I'm gonna let these guys go down. This is a fresh bin. We'll check back on them in a few days. See how they like in their new home. I'm actually trying something new with this bedding. I have some black cow in this. I have some black velvet in this. I got previous worm castings in this. I got rice hulls. I got cardboard. I got peat moss. I got cocoa core. So this is a well-rounded bit of bedding here. So we're gonna let these guys go down. Monitor them for the next few days. And just see how they like it. So I purposely put them in the middle. Left the bedding on the side. Because I want to give them a zone where if anything is wrong with this bedding, they can congregate at a safe zone. But if they like it, then I'll see them all through it. So this is a method that I decided to use. Just because I'm testing out the bedding and it is a decent amount of worms in here. So I don't want to risk them, you know, to experimental bedding. Because I've never used black cow or any of the black products before. So we shall see how this turns out. I'm going to refill my water. I'm going to soak them down some more. And then wet this bedding down a bit more. Put a little bit on top of them. Sprinkle them with a little worm chow and just see what happens. So until next time, bye-bye.